landscape in Uganda took a dramatic turn this week as former Kampala Lord Mayor Erias Lukwago remains hospitalized at Muhoozi National Referral Hospital under stringent military guard. The veteran politician and opposition figure, who is facing a charge of misprision of treason, was unable to appear before the magistrate court on Tuesday due to a sudden and serious health deterioration, prompting a high security medical lockdown that has raised questions about his condition and accessibility. According to multiple sources at the hospital, Lukwago's ward has been cordoned off, with access strictly limited to his wife and his legal representative. The heavy military presence at his bedside has fueled speculation among his supporters and political allies who have expressed growing unease over the restrictions, while prison and military officials have cited standard protocol for high-profile detainees. The exclusion of family members and close aides has intensified calls for transparency regarding the nature of his specialized medical investigations. In a brief interaction with the press following a closed-door court, Lukwago's lead counsel, Madad Lubega Segona, confirmed that the Uganda Prisons Service formally notified the court of their client's inability to attend proceedings. Segona revealed that the prison authorities cited ongoing intensive treatment, necessitating his absence from the dock. Consequently, the trial has been adjourned to July 9, 2026 to allow for his recovery and potential reappearance.
Produced by prisons for reasons we agree with. He is undergoing specialized medical investigations and treatment. So prisons have written to court and informed the court, we are informed by Chope also, that the Lord Mayor Emeritus could not be produced in court because of the medical investigations that are going on, which are specialized. He's also weak, that probably both prisons and hospital would not deem it fit to disorganize that body, the frail body, by bringing him to court. So court has given us, as the lawyers, plus the state, up to Tuesday, and the matter has accordingly been adjourned to Tuesday at 9 a.m. Yes, we were in Muhoozi this morning, and we confirmed that he's weak. I don't know whether to call him the suspect, the accused, or the patient. So the person who is not well is actually the patient. We want to request you to bear with the situation. That is where we are. So thank you for turning up in these big numbers. Thank you for caring for your brother. You know, it's a good way of responding to another, as opposed to the attitude of I am not my brother's keeper. Thank you for being the brother's keeper.
The adjournment offers a temporary respite in a case that has drawn significant public attention. Lukwago, a prominent critic of the ruling government, faces the charge of misprision of treason and offense related to the concealment of prisoners' activities. His supporters view the prosecution as politically motivated, while state prosecutors maintain that the legal process is impartial. As the July 9th date looms, the condition of Lukwago remains a matter of national interest. For now, the former Lord Mayor remains confined to a hospital bed under military watch, with his legal team pushing for greater access and transparency. The outcome of his treatment and the subsequent court hearing will likely shape the political temperature in the capital in the coming weeks.